And day 12 of the biggest spiritual gathering in Prayagraj is underway. A 3-day spectacular drone show will begin today at Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj. The devotees will witness a special drone show where the heritage of Sanatan tradition will be showcased through modern technology. The main attraction of this grand drone show will be the spiritual story of Mahakumbh, in which Indian traditions will be presented uniquely. My colleague Arzu Seth is on ground giving us the pulse of the Mahakumbh.
Marks the 12th day of the Mahakumbh 2025, and also today marks a very interesting day as the drone show will be held at the Triveni Sangam in the Mela area. Also, if we talk about the drone show, there will be a shape, there will be a showcase of the culture and the heritage of India in the sky of the Triveni Sangam. Devotees from all across the world are coming here to the Mahakumbh to be the part of the spiritual gathering, the world largest spiritual gathering in the world, and also to see the tradition, cultures and several cultural activities taking part. And this is the initiative that is taken by the Ministry of Tourism ahead of the 26th January to showcase the culture and heritage of India. Also, this drone show will continue from today. It will start from 24th of January and will continue till 26th of January, and every evening there will be a drone show. There will be a pattern, there will be a shapes that will given to the sky through the thousands of drones that will showcase the India's culture and also the Sanatan Dharma and also the heritage of India. Also, if I talk about the another event, there will be a crucial meeting of the Central Guidance Committee of the VHP Vishwa Hindu Parishad will be held at the Prayagraj Mahakumbh today at 2:30 p.m. Also, the meeting will take place at the VHP's Pandal located in the Sector 3 in the Mahakumbh Mela area. Also, during this meeting, important issue to be presented at the Sant Sammelan will be discussed and finalized. Also, this meeting will help make key decision for the Hindu community during the Mahakumbh. And as you can also see in the visuals, from all walks of life, with devotees coming to the Mahakumbh to see the culture. And also, if we talk about till now more than 10 crore people have already took a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam, and it is expected that 400 million devotees will be reaching to the Mahakumbh this time. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.